Are you looking for a fast, easy, and secure way to run Linux Mint online without installing it on your device? With OnWorks, you can access a fully functional Linux Mint workstation right from your web browser. No downloads, no setup, just instant access. OnWorks is a powerful cloud-based platform that lets you run Linux distributions online, and Linux Mint is one of the best options for users who want a sleek, efficient, and user-friendly operating system. Whether you're a developer, student, or casual user, this is the perfect way to experience Linux Mint without modifying your system. Getting started is simple. Just go to OnWorks, search for Linux Mint, and launch it with a single click. Within seconds, you'll have a complete Linux Mint desktop right in your browser, ready to use. You can browse the internet, run applications, manage files, and even install software, just like you would on a regular PC. One of the best things about using Linux Mint on OnWorks is the flexibility. You can switch between devices seamlessly, start on your laptop, continue on a tablet, and even access it from a public computer without leaving any traces. It's perfect for working remotely, testing software, or just exploring the world of Linux without the hassle of installation. So why wait? Experience the power of Linux Mint with OnWorks today. Visit onworks.net, launch your online workstation, and enjoy the freedom of Linux from anywhere.